Look out for the electrical wires. Hey, my name is Will Smith, and I am just another retired guy here on YouTube. Today, I am going to experiment with some voiceover technology. I'm using Adobe Premiere, and there's me, and there's my puppy Rex, and in the background there was my my mod bike. That's what this is here, my mod bike. It's actually it's a Mod Easy Sahara limited edition. It's kind of modeled after a vintage motorcycle. It was, I think, inspired by the 1940s BMW R75. It's got that kind of retro frame look. It's got a desert paint job, which is really cool. It's got some unique accessories that other models don't have. So it's kind of cool. I saw it and I was like, Rex is gonna love this. You know, I used to have, with my old bike, I had like a little spring contraption, and he could run next to me, you know, and that was kind of cool. But hey, we're all getting a little older. Rex is he's gonna be 8 this year, this December. Boy, time is going by really, really fast. 8 years old. So, if you're wondering where we are, we're at Slater Park in Rhode Island. This is a little bike path in Slater Park, beautiful summer day. And if you're wondering how I'm capturing this footage, and this is probably one of the first times I've tried to capture footage like this. I'm using a Hover Air X1 Pro Max. It's an 8K camera. It's cool. It has, I think right now it has 15 automatic flight modes, which means, you know, it can be in cycling mode and follow behind you. It can be in ski mode. You know, it's cool because the Pro Max is again 8K, but it takes off from the palm of your hand, and when you stop moving, it flies back to you. It's really portable, and it's foldable, and it fits in your pocket, and it's incredible. Highly recommend it. So, all right, this is my first voiceover. I'm gonna post this and see what kind of response we get. Thanks.